All right, here we go. Ryan's LA Kings box 11-12 Black Diamond. Sorry, 10-11 Black Diamond. Let me know if you want the ice pack first or last, please, sir. First or last? I'll assume last. Just start. And on the box art. Oh, good start. We start with a gemography autograph of Stephen Weiss. Stephen Weiss. Hard to believe how long he's been around the NHL and only scored his first playoff goal the other night. Right. Triple Diamond Marc-Andre Fleury. We've got a single diamond ruby, numbered 38 of 100. Milan Hajduk. Double diamond Brad Richards. Triple diamond rookie Matt Termina. Base. Double diamond Jimmy Howard. We've got a quad jersey Brian Leach. Quad jersey Michael Frolik. Triple diamond rookie Nick Palmieri. Triple diamond Ilya Kovalchuk. Double diamond Duncan Keith. Base. Double diamond Dan Boyle. Quad diamond rookie Jordan Eberle. Jordan Eberle, quad rookie. So there we go, buddy. Base. Triple diamond Daniel Sedin. Base. Derek Roy Double Diamond. Quad diamond Martin Broder. Triple Diamond rookie, TJ Brody. TJ Brody. Base and final pack. Double Diamond, Chris Pronger. So there we go, buddy. Ice pack. And numbered 6 of 999, Ice Premieres, Anders Lindback. And that is all Shiro, buddy.